Hi there, this is Steve Miley, the Market Chartist on behalf of ForexTraders.com. And then we're now looking at the New Zealand dollar and Australian dollar, both against the US dollar, and both exhibiting a more bullish tone in here through April. And we've seen that really as we've gone more to a risk-on scenario, moving to a risk-on scenario. European, Asian equity markets putting in bottoming patterns, looking more better recoveries, putting in better recoveries through early part of April. US equity markets are still very choppy, but trying to do similar in here. Fading concerns regarding, even though we've got a lot of geopolitical tension still there, fading concerns regarding the trade war. So we're seeing a better recovery tone here, and New Zealand dollar really exemplifying that, pushing up through this 73.55. We've gone more into a range environment. Okay, so we had this kind of more of a bearish theme potentially on the breakdown to 71.51, then more into a range environment, 73.55 to 71.51, but then the push last week above 73.55, re-energizing underlying bullish pressures that we saw from the end of last year and the beginning of this year. So underlying bullish theme, the intermediate term bullish theme re-energizing for the New Zealand dollar, and not quite the same for the Australian dollar. But what we have seen is this whole bear theme that we're seeing for Australian dollar since we really went into that risk off scenario from the beginning of February. That being eased in here by the push initially through 77.85, and that flips us more now into a more neutral range environment. But within that range, we feel that the threat is back higher and potentially up to challenge 79.16, above which would then see a more bullish tone. So certainly overall a more positive outlook for most currencies against the dollar, although the dollar rallying itself versus the safe haven yen. So overall looking for that risk on scenario to continue now into the second half of April. This has been Steve Miley, the Market Chartist for ForexTraders.com, and I wish you a great trading week.